Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily insert shapes in a PDF document with Foxit PDF Editor. Let's begin. First, open up Foxit. Over here, go ahead and click on File, Create, and then create a blank PDF document. From here, you will see the option Comment. Click on it. Click on Drawing, and you will now have your shapes available to you. You have rectangle, oval, polygon, cloud, and various lines. So I'm going to select rectangle, and you can now draw this on the blank canvas. So, okay. Here, just make sure to choose the color you would like this shape to be. I would like to choose on a shade of purple or violet. I'm going to add another shape, oval. So here, oval, I would like it to be blue. I would like to add a cloud. Just make sure to right click complete drawing markup. And then I'm going to choose like somehow black. I'm going to add another one, like for example, arrow. And red should be enough. I'm just going to change the opacity a little bit. Just make sure to experiment over here so you can have more options and customize your shapes better. But that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Just click on drawing over here, comment drawing, and select the appropriate shapes you would like to integrate on your PDF file. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.